Hello everyone, my name is Alibek and I'm a freshman at Astana IT University. And in this video, I will discuss some features of iPhone that you didn't know. First of all, what we know about iPhone? That nowadays it's one of the most usable smartphone. And of course, as the most improved device, it should contain a plethora of features that of course we can't know. It's kinda impossible. So, for you guys, I created my list of features that I found really interesting and really useful. So the first one is exposure and focus during the taking pictures. Just click on special area and by pressing slide up or slide down to increase or decrease brightness of your picture respectively. So this kind of feature is more related to people who frequently take pictures, and by this manipulation it can increase the quality and can add some special details for your picture. Text replacement, the feature that many know but do not use. For example, my full name is Alibek Savitkajiv, and if I will type in uppercase A and S, iPhone immediately will offer me an option, Alibek Savitkajiv. And it's really useful because by this manipulation I can save a couple of my time. And I can use this kind of method to, I don't know, write addresses or maybe frequently type a text, etc. And there are some exceptions, just do not use this feature for replacing your password because it will decrease your security and just will unsafe way. Settings. Find the general, click on the keyboard, then text replacement, and there you can add your text phrase, for example, hello, and for the shortcut we will write a hi. Save it, then go to the browser, and if you will type hi, as you can see, it will already change it to hello. So this feature is one of the most favorite. For example, if someone is calling you and you can answer it right away, you can click on the message and use special template messages to answer it. Of course, iPhone already has his own default messages, but you can simply edit it in this way. Also, go to the settings, then find the phone, click on it, then find the respond with text, and there are template messages, and you can change, for example, writing some other messages. For example, I can answer right now, and it actually will save it. iOS becomes more and more complicated, and there are new useful features. For example, offloading unused apps. It seems logical because, for example, if you are not using some apps, iPhone will automatically delete some apps, but it will keep all documents and data. And for example, in my case, it's kind of really useful because my iPhone have 16GB memory. So for some people who doesn't have enough storage, it will be really useful. In the settings, you should find the iTunes and App Store, then click on it. And scrolling down, you will find that offload unused apps. As you can see, I have already turned it on. This kind of feature is really funny because in my life I have faced a plethora of times when people, during the filling some verification code that comes from messages, are rushing to type it until the notification will disappear. And it's really difficult sometimes to filling it. And in this case, you can just easily set up your notification for each app individually, just going to the settings, and if you will find notification, there will be a plethora of apps, and you can just choose which one you want to prolong and in which you want to just remove notification duration. For example, in messages. Before making the whole list of the features, some features I have found recently, and during this process I was surprised when I found them because some of them are really useful. And for example, if you have a plethora of tabs in your browser, you can just swipe down, and by writing some keywords of your tab, a browser can easily find it. The last and most important feature in this list is don't be afraid to ask. Of course, it seems too easy because, as we know, we can know everything about our smartphone. Daily, Apple makes iPhone more and more useful and more efficient for us to ease our life routine. And By adding new feature, iPhone visit becomes more and more complicated. And of course, to solve this, you can just ask to your friends or some maybe colleagues that know more features or some more functions of iPhone and some other iOS devices. There is no something shameful to ask, because in contrary, it will show that you are really interested in discovering your smartphone and some other devices. And also it shows that you respect your time, because to discover all feature will take a plethora of time. In the end, I want to say, if you are not subscribed to this video, just click on it, and if you found this video really interesting and educable, just click on like. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.